Hi, it's me, Teresa, and I'm just gonna post a video about the rain also. Okay, if you do not know my brother or my parents, this is my mom's channel, but if you don't know my dad's or my brother Jalem's, search Jalem Campbell or Sean Campbell, JLYMCAMPBELL, SHAWNCAMPBELL. And yeah, so I'm going to show you outside right now. You can barely see through that. Okay, so now I'm going to end it because I don't want to make it too long. Okay, so bye guys.